Hello friends, I am Russian film director and I review and sell gimbals several years. And this autumn I was at Photokino and IBC fairs and I saw very interesting design. This is June Weebill and Crane 3 Lab. Personally, I prefer this big stick design because your movement could be very impressive. But in some case, for example, for skaters, for travelers, should be nice to have handle in this position. And guys, I want to give factory simple solution how use normal one handle gimbal like this. Are you understand me? Guys, this is simple contact, spring, isolator, nut, thread, wire and contact with spring here. This is CNC detail. From this view we can do these two photo thread. I think guys this design can be helpful for a lot of cameramen, and now I try to find factory to produce this simple detail. And if you have factory, maybe we can do this together. Just give me know. See you.